is saying goodbye to your baby or toddler, making you have more tears and frustration and heartbreaking. Here are some tips to make that a little bit calmer and easier. A little calmer and easier goodbye. So you might want to do a story before you're ready to leave. You might want to do a little dance with your baby before you're ready to leave. You may want to do eating, whether it's breastfeeding. Many women are still breastfeeding at 9 to 18 months of age, whether it's feeding them their food, spoon feeding, whether it's drinking, whether it's sitting down and doing some activity, some playtime. And you're telling them, Mommy's going to do playtime, Mommy's going to feed you, and then Mommy's going to go, and I'll see you later. So they start getting used to that. It's also really important to know that this is something really normal. You can't change it, you can't prevent it. Separation anxiety is built into babies. Like I said, it happens between 9 and 18 months old. Almost all 9-month-olds have it. On the rare occasion of a very social child, they may not have it, or they may not have it very long. That's usually the situations. By 18 months old, they usually outgrow it. So it's just a question of letting your heart break a little bit while you still get to function and do what you need to do outside of the home, or just even away from your baby in the room. I know that it's completely normal. Get rid of that mom guilt, because nothing you can do is going to change that. And you do have to live. You're a human being on your own, right? So what to do? The answer is usually a routine. You need to make it soft. You need to make it loving. You also need to make it fairly quick. Prolonged goodbyes are the worst for babies when they're going through the learning stage, the protective stage of separation anxiety. You want to first practice some short times away from your baby, a couple of minutes here or there. Sometimes it's just a minute, sometimes it's 5. It can be something as simple as you in a different room. You in a different room where you're actually letting the baby know that you're leaving them. And you can say, Mommy's going to be back soon, bye-bye. Mommy back soon, bye-bye. And they start connecting that. Then as you start making it longer, you can say, Mommy's leaving, and I'll be back later. You don't want to use the same words. You don't want to use soon and later together, because the baby is learning these words. And they're going to start realizing that they can't rely on what you're saying. And I know that sounds crazy, but babies are really smart with the words that they learn. Just because they can't communicate it doesn't mean they can't receive it and understand it. I hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. Let me know what more you'd like to hear from me. Also, I have free trainings available on my website, and also in the comment below, click the link. And you can go to my website, drsilvakidsgrow.com. Go to the shop area, click on free guides and trainings. Some examples of some free guides are Mindful Mom 101, Fever Tips 101, and some of the trainings are Pediatrician Fever Fix and Diaper Rash Fix. You never have to worry about that nasty, pesky rash coming back again. Until the next time, please be kind to yourself. Bye-bye.